Have you ever been in Roblox game and suddenly someone start playing funny sound effects, background music, or meme audios during voice chat? So it's instantly makes the experience more fun, right? So well, that's exactly what Soundpad can do. These tools allow you to play sounds, apply voice effects, and add personality to your Roblox voice chat, whether you're role playing, joking with friends, or just want to stand out in the crowd. So here's how to set it step by step. So first, open your Google and search for VoiceMod. Download it and install it. It's completely free. So once it's installed, go back to your Roblox application or browser, click the Roblox logo, then go to settings. Find the output device section. Slide through the options, and once VoiceMod is installed, you should see it appear here. So select VoiceMod as your output device. And that's it. You're now ready to use sounds, effects, or even change your voice while chatting on Roblox. So make sure to use it responsibly and have fun.